What are we doing?
Crossing a bridge apparently with some crocodiles underneath.
Rowan, are you comfy? Do you want your sunglasses back on, son? Do you want this one on? Off, okay. We'll put them in here then. Okay, ready? Keely girl, ready? Let's go.
Keely, hi! Feels a bit rickety.
Yeah, it's a suspension bridge.
No, I meant the wood.
Oh. This makes me nervous.
Good. Whoa, Roman, where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Oh dear. Oh, it's moving. Oh gosh, I'm sweating. Oh dear. Nicholas! You. Oh. God.
Feed you to the crocs.
Keely. Oh dear. Oh. Keely girl, we're alright.
Oh, the water roller.
Oh. Oh.
What's wrong?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Oh, the bridge is moving above like crocky water.
You're right.
Let me strap this on my arm.
Take camera?
Yeah. Oh, I can't even breathe.
Alright, crockies, where are you? What'd you see, Roro? Is he in properly, Mum? Just leaning out, yeah?
Yeah.
So he was doing yesterday.
Get back in there. That's better. Say hi.
Hi, Roro.
Cheese.
Where are you?
Oh, Keely wants to say hello.
Hey, kitty. Hey. Yes, you. Ah!
Your nose is Oh.
What? It bounces a bit, yeah?
Oh.
Bouncy, 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 bounce.
Nicholas.
What?
Oh my god.
It's okay.
I'm not scared of heights, I'm scared of crocodiles.
Well, why did you want to walk over them?
Oh. I thought it'd be fun with the family.
The end of a family. Yay!
Oh. What can you see, Rose?
No crocodiles. They're all lazing about probably. What'd you see, Roro? Come on. Oh, you're getting mad. You're getting mad because you can't move and we're not moving because Mum's scared.
I don't know what's over the other side.
No, if we keep moving we'll find out. You just don't want to move because you're scared.
Oh, God. My knees go weak.
I have that effect. Oh, wow. Oh, you tapping it.
Oh. Oh.
If you take bigger steps it moves more.
Oh my gosh.
Keely, get your mum together.
Oh, something pushing.
When are you being scared of animals?
Oh. Nick's trying to.
Oh, I'm just walking.
Yeah, deliberate. Make Nick over to the last one. Oh. Oh, Nicholas.
What? Dance, dance, dance. You're not seeing any crocs, but alright, looks like I got a little bit of time spare to myself because they're all in bed. So I got these fans from BCF, what, 20 bucks or something, 30 bucks or something. I'm just fitting them to the rear of the car, just to give the kids a little bit extra fan because it's not got rear heat in this car, being an older car, or rear cooling, sorry. Being an older car, it's got the front fans, and I'm a little bit worried about the kids sometimes. So I've fitted one already. Not done the wiring yet, but that's a rough idea. You can adjust the thing, but it seems solid enough. We'll see how it goes on corrugations and stuff like that, but if we have to do something a bit different, then so be it. I just used the bracket that they come with and adjusted it slightly, and I just screwed it into the roof. It's normally hidden by one of these things anyway, so I'm not too stressed about that, but we'll see how we go. I'm just going to take the clamp off first. It's just got a little retaining rub screw. And I'm going to pull the fan off from the bracket itself, just makes it easier to screw in. These put out actually pretty good volume of air for a cheap little fan. No idea how long they're going to last, but amazing what you can build for $20. I'm going to secure it in it so I don't lose it for 10 minutes like I did later there with the last one. It should be good. Alright. Looks good. So the metal on the actual square bit I'm screwing in is pretty weak, to be honest. That's my only real concern here. So we'll stick an extra screw in there. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. See if this works. Oh yeah, it's the other way around this time, isn't it? 'Cause, you know, oh, I could actually got away with it going the other way because she's rearward facing. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. My mistake. The only downside I see this is I've got less room to get the kids in, so I'm trying not to bop their heads off it. Alright, I'm going to make this tight up here. That should be good. That should give her some good cooling. Now look after our wee babies. Am I taking? That feels good. It is, it's meant to move like that, so get in those positions. That's going to be a little bit there, but actually that's probably it. Right, so let's get some zip ties or cable ties, what we call them. Might work out a switch for it actually, so we can actually control it from the inside. That's sweet. Tuck this in on the weather seals. I reckon I'll run the cable to the back wall. So, get double cable somehow. Nah, won't be. What does that take? 8 amps at high, so no, that's all good. We've got cable for that. And that is it for them. I'll do some wiring momentarily.
So we are heading to, what did I just say?
Isabella Falls.
Isabella Falls. So Rowan and Nick went here the other day and said that it was pretty good for the kids, so we're going to head back there. Rowan's going to have a little bit of a swim, and we've got Keely's. We'll just see what the water temperature's like for her, and then are you going to be alright?
I reckon.
Oh, that's good. She'll love that. And we haven't seen a crocodile yet in our travels at all. We've not seen one.
We've seen a fresh.
Oh, we've seen freshies, but we haven't seen a big salty. So apparently you might be able to see them at a place called Croc Bend. Nick looked up, so.
It's just in town. It's not far from here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so you can see it on the way back one of the two. Probably just see it on the way back, yeah. Cause
Yeah.
if we pull them out of the car now, then
We won't get them in.
dramas to get them back in. So.
Alright, so let's go. Just heading into town to go out of town. So we've made it to Isabella Falls. How can we, Keely, go? Nick and Rowan are frothing to get in. Off they go. Girls. So it's actually on the road. Oh, Keely. Just leaning into it. So it's all just like rocks. Pretty cool.
Do you want to go somewhere else? Or?
No, he's alright. It's just a very big step. Row, back this way. Wow. Rowan, back this way. So I ended up putting socks on Rowan just to help with a bit of grip on the rocks because there's a little bit of moss and that's really slippy, like even for me. So the socks seem to have helped him. Nick, we put some shoes on him last time, but before he even left the house he had taken them off. So Nick came and he didn't realise that they didn't have socks on or any shoes, so this time's really been helpful. And I've just moved spots to find somewhere so I could sit down with Keely in the water without actually having to hold her. So she's just sitting between my legs. Oh, look at Keely go. Yes. You're splashing, splash, 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 splash. Wow. Oh, Rowan, he's having a good time. Oh, over he goes. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, Ro? Yeah.
Isabella Falls, pretty good spot, good for kids anyway. Even though this little tearaway nearly ran away and jumped off the cliff. Mum caught him though. Yeah, just a bit you drive through. It's a bit deeper in there that you can swim. I've seen other people swimming last time, so must be reasonably crop free. Beautiful. Gonna go home, have some lunch now, and fight with the little ones to get them in the car. Oh, Keely's not too bad, just this one. You're a bugger. No. We'll bribe you with bananas. No, he's not apparently. We'll bribe him with bananas though. Well, me and Ro are going camping for a couple of days. Because we have to. We're heading down to Cairns for a pretty ridiculous reason, but we need tyres for the car and we can't get them in Cooktown. Can't get them in the country apparently. Our size. We only need two because we've had one cambering since, I assume since we bought the car. Because the car drove from Cairns to Melbourne to Connemara, then we drove it from Connemara to Cairns again. That's when I noticed the cambering had been taking place. And by that point it was well and truly gone, that tyre, so we thought it wasn't completely gone, there was still a lot of tread, but the angle was there, and figured we'd just use that tyre out and replace it. We were going to do it in Mariba, but they thought, there's 3 places in Cooktown to do tyres, so that shouldn't be an issue. realised that this is now an extremely uncommon tyre size, and we can go to like a skinnier tyre, but not really. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not keen. The one place could find some cheap Chinese tyres that, you know, nobody had ever heard of or anything like that, and I was just like, no thank you. So I did some calling in cans, managed to find tyre power in cans, had them in stock. The guy said he's had them in stock for the last year or something like that. And they're exactly the same as what we've got now. They're Toyos, we know they're good brand. These tyres, I looked through the service history, these tyres have done 50,000 Ks already, and I reckon they're only half worn, so it just shows you pay for the good tyre and get it. So we're going to head down to the Billabong at Kuranda tonight and just stay there. It's Sunday right now. Ron's having a little nap, that's his morning nap. I'm going to head down to that campsite, sit up there, just me, Ron and Swag, and then head into Cairns in the morning. And since we're there, we've got a lot of things we need to do either way. Pick up that we've kind of been putting off, so we may as well just go grab stuff from the shops and stuff like that. And we'll stock up on food because Cooktown's not great for that kind of stuff, and the prices are double nearly at least. So might as well save a bit of money that way to counteract the couple $100 fuel bill we're going to get for this. But in fairness, the tyres are, because they did originally tell me that one place told me that they had tyres that they could get a hold of, and these tyres are about $150 cheaper each. I'm going to do 2 tyres and keep an extra spare now that that's a common size, so uncommon size. So yeah, that's our little adventure for the next couple of days. We've left Lee and Keely there. Lee's going to have to take Keely to work because well, she doesn't feed off the bottle with me, so it's impossible for me to take her, and impossible for my sanity as well if I took her as well, with the crying and the demands that she has. Hopefully Rowan will be a good boy. He's never slept in the Swag that I can remember. I've not slept in the Swag in a few years now either, so it's going to be fun. Quite looking forward to it. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. Pretty cool. All right, it's paid to have a proper look because there's not many people here. There's plenty of space, but it's not great. Somebody had a good spot near a river on the back. I've just been driving around with Rowan. He's been steering, haven't you? But it looks like we found a killer spot. Just down this little steep embankment here. So a lot of people might not attempt this. You locking me out? What are you doing?
Beep beep.
You're scary. Yeah. Yeah. What are you saying? So this is the Billabong campsite in Coranda. It's a great little spot. $20 a night per person, I think it is. There's heaps of room. So this is the reason we've had to come to Cairns. Alright, we're making use of the camp kitchen. We're just having some chivaps and bread for tonight. That'll keep us going. We've got a few snacks that me and Rowan can have. He's got some yogurts and stuff like that. Where is this boy? Rowan? Where are you? Hi. Where are you? Where's Rowan? Ah, there he is! Ah, he's so bright! Whoa! Did we have a night in the swag? Yeah? Did we sleep in the swag? Did Rowan have good sleeps? Hmm? You slept pretty good.
Yeah.
You finally went to sleep properly about 9:30ish. It's now, what time is it, Bubba? Is it 6? It's your normal time for waking up, isn't it? It's 6:06. You're like clockwork, mate. It's cooled down a bit, but it's nice. You've got coffee. You having breakfast? Yum yum? What have you got? You got Weetabix. Hey?
Up.
Yeah, big trees, yeah?
Three.
Yeah. Trees everywhere. A big fire pit. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Yeah, Rowan. What's this? We're just waiting patiently for our tyres to be done. They've told us they can't do an alignment because the car's too big. Car's too big. So we've organised it for Cooktown in a couple of days, so no drama. But kind of sucks we can't just get it all done at once. But if they can't do it, they can't do it, yeah. It's a bit of a big car, I guess. Alright, check back in when we pick it up. Alright, we've got the tyres. They look absolutely amazing. Absolutely wrapped. All the tread in the world. Oh, that should keep us going for another 50,000-60,000 I guess for them ones, and the rear ones probably got another 20-30 out of them. And then worry if we're going to go bigger or not. We might go up to a 35 or a 37, just depends on suspension, if we can get decent lift. Budget as well, obviously. It's about $5 to lift this thing, and it's only got about 2-inch lift at the moment. If we want to do some more upfront stuff, then it's definitely going to need something, so got to convince Lee. In the next video we wrap up our time in Cooktown. We head north to do some of the PDR and test out what the car is capable of in these kind of corrugations. And we get ready to head back towards Cairns so we can fly out to Melbourne and visit family for Christmas.